Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Usvisascheduling Error Code PSE0602. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to book an appointment on the usvisascheduling.com website. According to our research, this error may occur due to browser-related issues or technical problems on the user's device. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to clear your browser cache and cookies. After clearing them, refresh the page and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, then try switching to Firefox or Edge. Once switched, check for the error again. If the error persists, then try accessing the website from a different computer. This will help rule out any device-specific issues. Once done, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact the tech support team. At this point, they may assist you further with this issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.